Would you believe me if I told you that poop could change the world? Well, I'm here to tell you how. Our bodies are inhabited by a plethora of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live in peaceful coexistence with us on a day-to-day basis. The largest bacterial community exists in our gut, and it is home to over 100 trillion bacteria, many of which have co-evolved with us for millennia. These bacteria do much more than just help us digest our food. They condition our immune systems to respond appropriately to danger versus non-danger signals. Danger in the case of a salmonella infection, or non-danger in the case of peanuts or household dust. 40% of Canadians, in fact perhaps 40% of the people in this room, suffer from allergies or asthma. Disorders that arise when the immune system is unable to distinguish between danger and non-danger signals. Now the truth is, allergy rates have quadrupled in the last 30 years, leading many of us to think that it has something to do with our lifestyle. Our society is obsessed with hygiene and is waging a war on bacteria. In the process, we are eliminating a lot of the good bacteria from our guts faster than our immune systems can adapt. That leads me to my thesis question. What happens when we start to eliminate the good bacteria from our guts? Do we become more susceptible to allergies? So what I did was I treated mice with different antibiotics to eliminate specific groups of intestinal bacteria. I then looked at how these mice responded in models of allergic asthma and peanut allergy. What I found was that some of the antibiotics made these animals sicker. The differences in disease severity could be explained by looking at the intestinal bacteria in the mouse poop. And believe me, I have done a lot of work with mouse poop. So basically, the bacteria, or what I found, was that mice that had less good bacteria in their guts became more susceptible to allergies. This was because their immune systems responded more inappropriately to the harmless allergens that I gave them. This data has tremendous implications. Living in societies that are too clean can have a disastrous impact on the good bacteria in our guts, making us more susceptible to a whole host of diseases, not only allergies, but also inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and diabetes. We need to take a proactive role in ensuring that we expose ourselves to lots of good bacteria. That includes eliminating excessive antibiotic use, eating fermented foods, and just getting dirty. The proof, I tell you, is in our poop. Thank you.